So a new update landed on Chowbang, but before doing anything, first of all I want to make a live withdrawal first on this video. So what I have to do now is to enter this particular place, go over to withdrawal tab and enter the amount I have. As you can see over here on my account, I'm currently having 183 Hong Kong dollar, which is currently worth 23.20 US dollars, and if you calculate it in euro, it is 21.48 euro. So what I have to do now is to scroll up a bit and then enter the details needed for withdrawal. So remember that minimum withdrawal is 50 Hong Kong dollars. So but I'm going to withdraw 183, right? 183, because that is the amount I have on my account right here. So what I have to do now is to enter 183. Already I've binded my wallet address. You can check the video in the first comment of this video on a full video on how to bind your wallet address, bind your do 2FA verification to secure account. So the next thing I have to do now is to click on this particular place that says next step, and it's gonna ask me for my for the 3 code in my card. So payment CV code, you can get it at the behind your card. So I'm gonna enter my own right now and place withdrawal. So the next thing is to click on this particular place that says withdraw now, and as you can see, the withdrawal of withdrawal request of 183 Hong Kong dollar have been successfully placed on my account. So later in the day, I went to my Trust Wallet and I found out that the payment came to my Trust Wallet, although it was some hours ago. I got busy then, so I couldn't complete the video. But as you can see, the $23.25 worth of Usdt was successfully deposited on my account from Chowbang. So now let's go to the main reason why I made this video today. You guys know I normally post video on Chowbang at least once a week, but today I'm making Chowbang's video to show you guys. First of all, I made a live withdrawal to show you guys how the withdrawal is going, and then the new updates on Chowbang. So as you can see, today I got a notification from Chowbang Telegram channel that they're talking about the new update in this. So as you can see, it says they're about to stop the sale of the bond that we normally buy, the 2% daily and the 5% daily bond that we normally buy. That after in 2 weeks time, that means end of this month, they are gonna end the bond. So that particular bond that we are using and I'm advertising. So if in case that you have not bought it, you only have 2 weeks remaining to buy it and start using it. So according to them, they say the new bond is this BB7280, yield per day 0.45%, and maturity is 36 months. That's 6 months is equal to 2 years. That means it's not more 3 years but equal to 2 years. And you can see the profit of one bond is 80 HKD. So that means we need a minimum of 10 balls normally, and also they have the one of 0.55% daily, which maturity is also 36 months, which is also 2 years. So value of one bond is 4,000 HKD, and minimum purchase is for 10 bonds. So within 9 months of its founding, Chowbang have become a powerful new bank. Yeah, that's true, and the bank is now in a phase of rapid growth. Chowbang global recognition in 2023 has increased significantly thanks to the digital marketers and the bank agents around the world. Keep eye out for new bond series on the website. Sign Chowbang. So back to the site, let's talk about let's show it to you guys in the first video, in this video in the site. So what they mean is, in this particular place, if you choose bond, that this particular bonds that we are using now, which people are currently buying and earning 0.2% and 0.5%, maturity is going to 3 years. In 2 weeks time, guys, they are gonna stop it. So if you want to go for it, go for it now. Go for what you can afford to lose actually. So remember that minimum bond is 10 bonds. So let's assume that you want to buy 10 bond. Let's use TLC 20 USDT to know how much it's going to be for us. So let's say you want to buy 10 bonds, it's going to cost you 127.1 USDT. All you have to do is to click on buy bond, and then it's going to generate a wallet address for you. Once you deposit on it, automatically it will burn the bot for you. So as you can see, I'm having one of the one that is giving me 0.2% every day, and I'm having the one that is giving me 0.5% every day for 3 consecutive years, guys. So that these 2 bonds are the ones that I'm using, which I invested 1,119 Hong Kong dollars, and this particular one only cost me 1,000 Hong Kong dollars. So that is it, guys. So in case you want to buy bond, all you have to do is to click on buy bond here, and these particular bonds can only last for these 2 weeks coming. So after these 2 weeks coming, that means consecutively end of this month, by next month coming, the bonds are gonna change. So if you want to buy it right now. So that is it. That is how you can also check out their social media handles for more details on how Chariot Bank work. And first of all, remember that once you sign up, you will need to verify account. So guys, I hope I showed you guys how the thing works, and I do the live withdrawal for you guys. Remember, I always love to make a live withdrawal when I'm doing video on Chariot Bank. See you guys on my next video on Chariot Bank, and ask me a question in the comment section in case you have.